Grateful for this new space. It's a reunification of our two production bakeries. For 2 years, we've been sharing bread here, pastry all the way in Mesa, while running out of space as we've baked for more and more people. Here our teams are unified again, just like they were in the garage in the early Mesa days, working on bread, working on pastry, baking for more people than we ever have before ahead of this holiday season. You can learn more about our journey and participate in some of the lessons that we've learned so that maybe you don't have to repeat some of the mistakes. Maybe you don't have to learn some of the lessons the hardest possible way like we have. Check out $1 Million Baker. Right now, we're offering $300 off, which is our lowest price point all year. So jump onto the website, check out the content, see if it's the right time to make this investment in your own journey. We've been working with hundreds of people around the world to help them build their own versions of bakeries for their communities. And I invite you to join the movement, $1millionbaker.com. Happy holidays.